thank you for joining today's session. So we'll wait another 1 or 2 minutes. By the time I will just introduce myself. My name is Rahul Khale. I am the executive chef from the Hotel Chennai Simcourt, and we are in this beautiful location in Chennai. So today weather is also very pleasant. You can see that trees are just having a lot of winds. So you will enjoy today's session. It is very kids friendly, as well as all your family member will enjoy this. So today what we are going to make it? Today we will prepare cheese bean patties. Very simple to make, very easy, and it is not consuming a lot of time. So once again, welcome all who is just joined, or some of them might be joining. So I will show you how we can variant that cheese patties into different form. We don't want to keep it only as a starter or only as a patty. So we will just twist it with the some of the dish. We'll make it a nice chart of it, so all your family member will enjoy. If you are really hungry, we can make a nice roll, that wrap. You can have it with that cheese patty. It will be a full meal for you. And third option is, of course, that cheese patty we are making. You can have it with the tea, or you can just have it as a starter as well. So can we start? Okay, so let's start with the ingredient. And once again, whoever is joined just now, welcome all. We are going to make cheese bean patties. So, and thank you very much, Amul, for giving this opportunity. Everyone is at home. They are just making something different, and this is also opportunity to make something innovative. You can twist with your innovation, and that you can share. So we'll start first. So what are the ingredients we'll require? We'll require the kidney beans. Kidney beans, it should be a nicely cooked kidney beans. You can soak it that overnight, and you can cook it for a longer time if you are not using the pressure cooker. Or if you are using a pressure cooker, you can make it like a 3 vessels. If it is a nicely soaked, then it will come nice and soft. You can see this one. So this is a very well cooked soft beans. So we'll take some beans, almost like a 1 cup. Then what else? So we'll add some chopped onion. Who don't eat onion, they can avoid. And instead of onion, they can use if want, the season is going on, you can use curry, that is the kacha aam. Make it finely chopped, and that also you can use it. So here we use the finely chopped onion. Then we'll add 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. It will give nice that Swedish flavor also. Then we'll add maize powder. That is 1/4 teaspoon again. Maize have a very strong flavor, so avoid excess maize. Otherwise that patty will get bitter. So it's just for a flavor. Then we'll add red chili powder. Again, it is up to you how much spicy you will require. You can add chopped chilies as well. If you like it, you can add. It gives a really nice flavor. But considering the kids meal, you can avoid that, because a lot of kids, they don't prefer the green chili. So here we are adding now jeera powder. 1/4 teaspoon of jeera powder. Then we will add ginger garlic paste. Ginger garlic paste, again, it's optional. If someone don't eat the ginger garlic paste, they can skip it. So we'll add the ginger garlic paste. Now we'll add some nicely chopped coriander. Coriander gives a very refreshing flavor. I really like the coriander. If you don't want to use coriander, you can try with the mint, finely chopped mint. That also goes well with this patties. Now for binding agent, like a kidney beans, it have a lot of protein, but we'll require some binding for that. So once you heating that, so it will give a nice binding, and it will continue that cooking. So for by the time I will just switch on this, and simultaneously my pan also will get hot. For binding agent, we'll add the breadcrumbs now. Almost 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. And if you don't have the breadcrumbs, don't worry, you can make it at home. If you don't want to use the breadcrumbs, you can use the rice flour. That is also fine for the binding. And even though if you don't have that rice flour, you can use for the refined flour. That is also fine for the binding. But refined flour, you can reduce the quantity. Now we'll add the salt as per your taste, as per your liking. We'll add some kala namak. That is just hint of kala namak. Now we'll bind all this ingredient. So what is the binding? So we'll just mash it, that we'll mix it together. It is very easy to mix if your beans are really cooked nice. If it is not cooked very well, then it will give that little bit crunchiness. So that you can avoid by cooking it to a proper level. Now my mixture is ready. So it is so simple. You can see that, right? So it is no rocket science at all, and you can do variation by your liking. You can try with the curry, you can try with maybe with some stuffing with a different filling. So you can try with the barbecue sauce. That is also goes well with this tikki. So now we'll make a small patties of it. Just this much of portion. Make a nice roundel and insert your thumb, so that insertion will be come out. So this insertion will add some cheese. Here it is some Amul cheese. We are adding a cheese into it. Just seal it nicely and again tap it to the proper shape. Am I audible to all of you? So simultaneously we'll make all these patties. Now pan also is getting hot. Again you have to consider that your pan should be properly hot, otherwise your patty will stick to the pan. If you have a non-stick pan, please use the non-stick pan. If you don't have the non-stick pan, then what you have to do it? Then you have to use it a pan which one is non-stick. Heat it properly, add some salt, and then just take out that salt once it is properly heated. It will give the non-stickiness to the pan. So that also you can use it. So I'm making some patties here. So I'll prepare almost like a 6 patties. So I can show you that. So instead of rajma, you can use any other lentil or legumes. That if you want to use the beans, or if you want to make with the moong dal, that is also fine. You can make it that. And you can try some new variations also. There is no harm. And we'll serve these patties with a nice dip, healthy dip, that is made with the yogurt. That is also I will show you once it is ready. You can bind it into a different forms or different shape. You can make a cylindrical shape. It will be very similar to the croquettes. So that's also you can try it. You can make the burgers as well. So burger goes really well. Make it a nice patty of burger. Have it with the bun, some lettuce into it. Add some barbecue sauce and grill it with the butter. So it will give nice softness, and that barbecue sauce also will give the nice flavor. I'm sure you will enjoy it, and you can also share that your post if you enjoy that burger. So here our patties are almost ready. So I'm just starting with the 6 patties first. So your pan should be really nicely hot. Then only it will be a proper patty will come out. So here it is, my pan is almost hot. I will add some Amul ghee. If you don't want to use ghee, no problem, you can use with the olive oil as well. So once the pan is hot, Then we can start putting our patties. Now it is almost hot. We can add the patties here. So as I said, कि rajma have a lot of protein in it. So if you are making and if there is not enough moisture or if it is not enough of fat, it will looks very dry. To avoid that condition, use a proper amount of fat, or if you want to use the olive oil, you can use that as well. So here patties are getting ready.
And we have oil cheese.
So with the first version, I will show you it with the chart, how to make a chart. So I think everyone's favorite is a chart, so they can enjoy it at home with a healthy option. That is also with the bean patty. What will be better than this one? So you will enjoy that. And if you don't add the binding agent, then it will be a loose apart. So if you want to make a galoti kebab in the vegetarian version, this is also the best ingredient for the galoti kebab. So in a galoti kebab, you don't need to add any breadcrumbs or any other ingredient for the binding. Just some roasted chana dal powder also will be fine, and rest of the ingredient almost same. So here we are using cheese. Instead of cheese, you can make it without cheese. So that will be like a galoti kebab. So here I will show you the first thing, what you are going to make it. We'll make it as a chaat. It will not take a lot of time to cook it. So our patties are ready. And now we'll make a different versions of it. So first I will show you the chart, how we can make the chart of it. So you can just nothing but you can take a just patty here. You can see the cheesiness of the patty. I will show you. You can see that melting cheesy. Yes, there will be a lot of cheese. So if you are cheese lover, this is the perfect starter for you. So we'll make it with the two patties here. So what we want to add it here? So with the chart, we can add some sweetened curd. So here is the curd. It is a little bit with the sugar. We can add on the top. We can use the Amul Masti Dahi. Then we'll add some tamarind chutney. It is with the tamarind and date. We'll add that. Now we'll add some mint chutney. It is also bind with the yogurt. So mint chutney. We'll add some peanut on top. Some peanut here. Some coriander we'll add on the top. Here it is, some coriander. Little bit of chopped onion. Some sunflower seeds. And if you want to give a twist with the instead of save, you can use the corn flour. Instead of corn flour, sorry, that is not a corn flour. So we'll use the cornflakes. So instead of save, we can use the cornflakes. So your chart will be ready with this patties. So next version I will show you, that is the roll. How to make with the roll. So for roll, I'll show you first what dip we will use for the roll. So it will be some curd, a properly set curd. If you want to make a hung curd, you can make it with the hung curd as well. So we are having some curd here. We'll add some cucumber, nicely chopped cucumber here. So it is good in the summer season to have a cucumber and curd. So it will be a good combination. We'll add some jeera powder and some salt. So we have to just beat this one. So this is also very simple, but yet it is the tasty and the healthy. So you can use as a dip as well as we'll use for the roll as the inner layer. So I will show you the roll. We'll have some this tortilla wrap. If you don't want to use the tortilla wrap, you can make with the chapati, you can make with the fluffy paratha, you can make with the lachha paratha as well. So options are, lot of options are there. You can choose your option and your taste. So here I'm using the tortilla wrap. I will just spread a little bit of curd here. Then I will add some sirke wala onion. It is onion with the vinegar and beetroot. I will add that. Then I will add the patties here. I will just crush it. You can see the nice cheese there inside. And then you have to just wrap it. So this roll we can cut into two. And we'll present in the dish like this. Some sirke wala onion on a side and some more dip. To have a roll, it will be a very healthy and fulfilling. So beans, it have a tendency that you don't feel hunger if you have it. And as in a day, if you are having a beans in a day, so it will be like a one day meal, it will be get covered. So try it, and the last option I will show it as a starter. So again, same dip we will use it here. Cheese is just melting. You can see that it is all coming out, and we'll serve with the sirke wala onion. So here it is. I hope everyone seen all these three versions, and after this live session also you can rewatch that video. You can have a look what are the ingredients are there. So enjoy, and thanks a lot. Thank you, Amul. And whenever you're coming to the Chennai, please do come to the Novotel Chennai Silk Road in this beautiful property. Thank you. Thanks a lot.